Hello. As most of you know, me and Katie aren't very well at the moment. Got COVID. We're okay, just mild flu symptoms, but hopefully be getting well soon. But in the meantime, I thought I'd do something a little bit more productive. I've been contacted by a company called Inbike, and they've got a range of cycling accessories, gloves, tops, jackets, that kind of thing. And look, some of the gear looks quite interesting actually. It looks really interesting. And they contacted me and asked me would be interested in doing a review on one of their products. So they've sent me a jacket. I've already cut the top off my bag before the video started. Save time. They sent me a jacket. It looks really nice on the website actually. Obviously I'll put the details on here. And as you know, I do a lot of budget gear. I do like budget stuff. And I mean, to me, I wouldn't say this is budget. I mean, for this jacket here, this was $65, which works out to be £50. So in my mind, £50 is not budget. And of course, you've got like £7 delivery on there as well. They're a Chinese company, but they do apparently have a warehouse in Germany. And when I ordered this, well, when they ordered it for us and sent it to us, it took 12 days. It took 12 days to get here. So in my mind, I don't think that's come from China. I think that might have come from Germany. But apparently they've got stock in a German warehouse. If they don't have enough stock to fulfill, then the item would come from China. So obviously bear that in mind if you order from them. Seem very nice people when I chat with them. Always quick to reply to messages and stuff. But this jacket here is a winter jacket. It's a winter cycling jacket, this one. That's it there. This is from Inbike, as I see it. I've never heard of Inbike before, but if somebody wants to contact us, and ask us to check something out, anything cycling related, I'm happy to check it out. I love checking anything bike stuff out, whether it be tech, whether it be clothes, whatever. Anything cycling stuff, I'm happy to have a look at it. Especially when you get discounts for yourselves. And I have getting a discount. If you want to order anything from this company, they are going to give a 15% discount to my viewers, so I'm very happy with that. Very happy with that. So this is the jacket. Let's get out of this bag. I tell you what, mine feels nice already. Feels nice. And as I say, I wouldn't class this as being budget, but I suppose if you compare this to other brands of jackets, cycling jackets, which are waterproof like this is, hydrophobic, and I think it's breathable as well. It's supposed to be breathable. You're going to be paying a lot more than £50, aren't you, really? So I think that's the end of the market we want to look at with this. Probably like Castelli and that kind of stuff, I would have thought. I'm not saying I'm comparing this directly to Castelli stuff or anything like that, but I think it's that kind of area, do you know what I mean, where you're the more market kind of stuff. And that is it there. Hopefully the camera focus okay. That's the jacket. And that's the back. And this one here is extra large. I've got to this one. I'm not normally extra large, but their sizing's small. It's a bit like the other Chinese measurements on the websites. The sizes always, when you buy anything from China, you always have to go large, a lot larger than what the sizes are. But there's a measuring scale on there. You can use that and measure it and see how it fits you. So I'll test this out and actually try this on and see how well it fits us and see how it feels. But so far it looks quite nice quality. Very nice quality. So let's take it inside, shall we? So it's got a fleecy material on the inside. You can see that on the camera, but it's got a nice fleecy texture inside there. It's very nice, that. Very nice. Yeah. So you can see there how it's a winter jacket, how fleecy it is and how warm that's going to be. So I'll try that on and see how it feels. Obviously today I'm not going to be taking it out and trying out properly anything like that because I kind of go outside when I have COVID. But I thought I'd at least unbox it and have a look at it and see how it looks, and then we're going to test out properly at a later date. But I'll try it on, see how it goes. So give us a few seconds. I want to put it on. Straight away, I would say this is a little bit too large for me. this is a bit too big, as you can see. I mean, I went for 2 times extra large because I went off the measurements guide that they used. Normally I would say I tend to go for large jackets. I'm not a huge big person, but I don't like them too tight, if you like. But for this one I went for 2 times extra large, and this is quite big, but that's okay for winter, really, for my mind. I'd rather a little bit bigger, put some more layers underneath if need be. That's nice, that's a nice jacket actually. Feels nice, good quality. Has a nice feel to it. I don't know if you can see there, but from the side it's a little bit baggy. You've got 2 pockets here. Nice deep pockets. Obviously nothing on the back, but I suppose you wouldn't on a winter cycle jacket like this. But that feels good, feels good. As I say, this is just initial opening, checking it out, and at some point in the very near future I'll be taking this out and trying it out, see what it feels like outside. But it's comfortable. I mean, it's a comfortable jacket. I'd say the size was maybe a little bit off. This is 2 times extra large, maybe one times extra large would have been better for me, just XL rather than XXL. But I think that's pretty good. It's a pretty nice jacket. Let's say it's not exactly, it's a mid-range jacket I would say. It's not exactly expensive. It's not exactly cheap neither. $65 or £50, but of course, using the code, which I'll put in the description here. Of course, if you want to check it straight away, you can do. But you might want to wait till I do the review as well and see what it's like. See what you think of it. See if it's actually nice and see if it's warm on the bike. See if it's waterproof. See if it lives up to expectations. Obviously, at the moment, it's going to be a little bit too warm to test out how warm it is, but I can still try it out and see how comfortable it is on the bike, and particularly we can test out how waterproof it is. I'm sure Katie won't mind getting the hose pipe on and checking out and see how it's like. So yeah, so far, seems like a nice jacket. It feels comfortable, feels light, it's not very heavy, and I'll be interested to see what it's like on the bike and how waterproof it is. So keep a look out for that video as soon as I can. I'll do a review on this properly on the bike and test how waterproof it is and how comfortable it is on the bike, and I'll post that up. But if in the meantime, if you are interested in one of these jackets, I will put the link in the description and the discount code as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. See you later. Bye bye.